Hello, everyone. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the basics of HTML and some HTML boilerplate code. First, I'm going to create a folder called HTML and open it in VS Code by dragging and dropping it into the VS Code window. Next, I'm going to create a file called index.html, and then I'm going to paste in the boilerplate code. As you can see, we have a very basic HTML structure here that we'll be referring to as the HTML boilerplate code. This code provides the basic structure for every HTML document that you will create. HTML is made up of tags, which are used to define the structure and content of a web page. Tags are enclosed in angle brackets and come in pairs: an opening tag and a closing tag. The content of the tag is placed between the opening and the closing tags. Let's take a look at a title tag. This is the opening tag. This is the closing tag. The slash indicates that this is the closing tag. This is the content. Some tags are self-closing, which means they don't require a closing tag. The meta tag is an example of a self-closing tag. Now let's open the index.html file in Google Chrome and see what it looks like. As you can see, our basic HTML boilerplate is now displayed in our web browser with the content of the title tag showing on the tab. However, if we make any changes to our code, we'll need to refresh the page to see those changes. Going back into the browser, you can see that the change isn't reflected, but when I hit refresh, there you go. But there's a better way. We can use the live server extension that we installed in an earlier video to automatically reload the page whenever we make changes to the code. To start live server, simply right-click in the editor and click Open with Live Server. As you can see, Live Server has automatically opened our index.html file in Google Chrome. Whenever we make changes to the code and save the file, the page will automatically reload to display those changes. It's a huge time saver. But wait, there's more. In Visual Studio Code, you can use Emmet shortcuts to quickly generate the HTML boilerplate code. Simply hit Shift-1 for the exclamation mark and hit the Tab key, and the basic HTML boilerplate code will be generated for you. So that's it for this video. We've covered the basics of HTML and some HTML boilerplate code, and how to use Live Server extension to automatically reload the page whenever we make changes to the code. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.